Hi everyone, my name's Akasha, and in today's video you're just gonna see how I made this little bridal shower basket right here. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover from here, but basically these are the items I got. I got these like sugar cubes from Target, and they were in like the makeup-ish section, and this like body spray from Target, and this candle from Target, and these pens from Target. And the last thing is actually not from Target, it's from Gabe's. I saw this and it was so cute. I would want one of these myself. It says he put a ring on it, and then in the inside there's a little diamond. I think this is like $3, I think. And yeah, there it is. Those are the little gifts I have. I also bought like some stuff off of their registry for them, but this is kind of just like something for me to take to the bridal shower that I went to, that I already went to like a week ago, and it was actually pretty nice. The basket was from Michael's, originally $10, but ended up being $4.40 on sale. I'm just making some like confetti, and is it called confetti? No, this stuff is called something else. Basically, the long way to do it is to do this, like cut strips and then zigzag them, and it's kind of hard to tell, but that's what I was doing. But the easier way to do this is to just fold back and forth, and here's me doing it really slowly so you guys can see, and then you just keep folding, and then you're gonna go ahead and chop it from the edge, and you guys will see me doing that. I cut it in half because if you just do the whole thing, honestly, it makes your fingers hurt. My finger, like the thumb that's inside the scissor, as you can see, like it just starts hurting, like that starts cramping. And then I think I did like 2 sheets. Did I do 3? Maybe I did 3. I don't even remember. I probably did 3, maybe even 4, who knows. I kind of lost track, and I mean, you guys are seeing it here, but here's what it looks like. You'll see in just a second, but if you take the sheet and like unfold half of it, it makes your fingers hurt less because you're not like cutting through a thick layer. I also got this construction paper from Hobby Lobby. So this is just more of me doing the same, which is cutting the paper, zigzagging it, and then I cut the next sheet into fourths, and that just kind of made it easier because it was smaller chunks. So here's what that looks like, and then this is what I was talking about earlier. This is what makes it easier on your fingers. If you take the sheet that you folded and unfold like the middle part of the zigzag and then cut through it, it's so much easier because it's like thinned out, like you're not cutting over that entire bump. Like think about cutting into cardboard. It's hard, it doesn't feel good on your finger. Do it the unfolded way, and it feels much better. Also, at this moment, I was watching Catfish, the show, just kind of like watching random stuff in the meantime. This is me rearranging the gifts, and I've seen like Grey's Anatomy and Lucifer, Good Girls, Jane the Virgin, Big Mouth, BoJack Horseman, Rick and Morty, etc. This is the card I got her. I got it from Target, and honestly, I would have sealed it with like my gold wax, but I didn't have time, and yeah. Here's the outro, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like if you did. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.